Good morning. Glad to see each and every one of you come out today. What we're doing today is we're just going to announce an initiative that we're going to take up for the next 28 days in Etowah County. And this is going to be all law enforcement agencies in the county are participating. We have a number of the chiefs here today, mayors, to stand with us, but everybody's going to participate. And a lot of people had some conflicts and couldn't be here this morning to talk about it. But last week we had a meeting at Mayor Guyton's office. He called us about some concerns. Myself, Police Chief Jaggers, and the mayor met along with a lot of other staffers, and we come up with a plan. And today we're here to announce that plan.
You know, there's been a lot of problems. If you don't know, there are a lot of problems. Our fire department answers 3 to 5 calls a day on heroin overdoses, and it seems like it's everywhere, the neighborhoods. I mean, all over the county, plus in the city of Gadsden, we have a lot of issues. And we've been working on it, and it seems like you can't ever get over the hump. And a couple things you can do if you're in Gadsden. If you have a lot of activity at a house close to you, there's a number you can call, 549-4500. Go straight to our police department, doesn't go to 911, and you can give the address. That's all you got to give. You don't have to tell your name. You don't have to say anything else. And then we always send it to the drug task force and our officers, and you know, they sort of take it up from there. So just remember that. Another thing you can do is have some neighborhood watch groups. We have police personnel who can come out for a few blocks or the whole block or whatever you need and help you set up a neighborhood watch program. You know, everybody's got computers and cell phones, and you can contact each other. But we'll be glad to come out and assist you in setting up a group, which is really, that's how we get the information. If you don't call or don't do anything about it, nobody's going to know about it, and then there you go, you've got all these problems. But it's really got to the point where we want to clean up and clean out. And talking with the sheriff and the chief and the council members, the Mayor's Association had a meeting. They're all on board. Our council, and I'm pretty sure most of the councils in the other municipalities. So it's time to let the rubber meet the road and clean this place up. Thank you.
We're just coming together for a month to see what we can do to hit the hot spots in Gadsden and the other areas of the county and try to make it a little bit cleaner and work together doing it to be more efficient. Thank you.
This is an exciting day for me as district attorney. I know that I'm constantly bragging on our departments and their united efforts, and this will be an opportunity for the community to see that their voices are being heard in response to issues that they have shown to law enforcement and to the mayor and the other cities. And so to see a collaborative effort like this that's organized between all the departments of this county is something that's needed, something that I'm excited about, and something I'm looking forward to seeing what it produces. And I think it's going to be wonderful for this county as a whole. Thank you.
Just a little bit about what's going to happen. You know, if you have a warrant on you and you're in Etowah County, you need to get yourself turned in, because these officers are going to be on the streets and they're going to be making arrests. They're going to be running roadblocks. They're going to do saturated patrols. They're going to get out with people. They're going to be checking places. They're going to be working the parks. They're going to be working everything that's high crime areas. They're going to be in it, whether it's in the city of Gadsden, whether it's in Smith Institute in this county. We're going to be anywhere. Any police department, any police chief or mayor that calls us and says they want us during this month, we're going to be there to serve their city and help them in any way possible. We're going to be zero tolerance. We're going to enforce all laws. I know there's cities around, and there's a lot going on in this country right now, that people, the sanctuary cities and everything else. We're not. We're going to enforce all laws, federal, state, local laws. You break the law in this county, these officers are going to put your butt in jail. That's the end of it. That's what's going to happen. So I assure you, the citizens of this county are going to see a difference over the next 28 days of what coming together and working together can make a big difference in what we have. And we have some problems here. You know, we do in this county. We have a lot of drug problems, just as the country does everywhere. But we're going to work together and make our streets safer in Etowah County.
What we're going to be doing is taking a group of officers from the Sheriff's Department and from the City of Gadsden on this first venture. We're taking approximately 4 deputies, and we will have 4 to 6 Gadsden officers working, plus we'll have some of the Drug Task Force working on specific cases that we're working on. We are targeting locations that have been given, we've been given information from the public that are causing the problems in their area or in their community. So that's what this is for. We're doing a targeted directed patrol operation, which will include everything, just like the sheriff said, from roadblocks, saturated patrol, foot patrol techniques, and may even do some undercover operations. It just depends on what our citizens require us to do. Thank you.